Morning and welcome to another vlog. So
I don't know what came over me, but I kept forgetting to vlog this week. So you have two tiny snippets of my first 2 days, and then we go into the cookie making. So I hope you enjoy. Subscribe, like, do whatever you want, to be honest with you, because that's what you're going to do anyway, innit?
this morning we woke up and we did the Joe Wicks, which is actually really fun. I highly recommend you check him out. It's PE with Joe, so it is designed for kids, but it makes it a bit easier than context. I'm also going to show you my outfit of the day. Really looking fine. I need some new tracksuit because I've only got these grey ones. Actually no, I do have 3 pairs, but you know everyone's wearing those really nice like matching colours, and it's making me, but only a week until my shopping secondhand is over. I feel like I need to do an update video on that because I've learned a lot in my secondhand shopping adventures. Anyway, so this jumper, which is from Brandy Melville in New York, but I've never seen anyone with it ever, so I'm thinking no one likes it, but I love it. So, and the sleeves are long enough. Tracksuit bottoms and the iconic panda slippers. Just been sat here editing for a while. Chloe is going through our bathroom cabinet, which I'm not gonna lie, we have like never gone through since we moved here. There is so much stuff. They are currently empty. Go on, sis, get it. I'm in a deja vu right at this very minute. That's freaky. Deja vus are so weird. Like, are they? Have I actually lived this moment before? Why is this feeling so? How are you finding it? Stressful. Stressful. She just wants to play Animal Crossing, don't you?
No, there's just all this stuff.
Good morning. Look how cool I look. I've got my nightie, tracksuits, slippers, actually I'm going to change into Dad's Crocs are all over him probably. Basically we have to film something for church in the garden, and when we tried yesterday it was just, we're at the builders next door, so we're making loads of racket. Hello, how are we today? What is the vibe? What is the feels? Are we feeling good? Are we feeling not good? Because I feel like every day is such a different emotion. Every day of our lives. This is what I'm coming for. I'm coming to sit on this. It's actually a bit windier than I anticipated. Yesterday there was no wind whatsoever and it was fantastic. It was like really warm, really warm. And today I think we're actually going to have our first barbecue of the year. There's a wasp. No, go away, I don't like you. Please. Why are you just chilling? Go away. I don't want to play swing ball with you. But the swing ball's there and the wasp is over here somewhere. Can you see it? I don't know if you can see it. So we're going to have our first barbecue of the year. It's not really going to be a barbecue. We've literally got some chicken and something else. I'm not sure what we have. But we're going to barbecue it because spice it up a bit, have a bit of fun, you know. We just had our online church service, which was really fun. I loved it. Honestly, there is not a cloud in the sky, apart from the clouds over here. But we're not going to look at them. What's Karen and you? Tell me down below. What's something that you've done this week that's shaken up your routine a little bit? Honestly, this sun, I won't lie, it does make me want to go to the beach. What is the one thing that you want to do, like that you're looking forward to? Relation is over. For me, it's the beach. I just want to go to the beach. I am loving this sun. I just feel like, you know, when a cat sits in the sun, I totally get it. Just lap up that sunshine. Hello, I'm Jackie. What are you making for lunch, Dad?
I'm making chips.
How long does that take? You can actually hear the things. We're not making chips, we're making mini roast potatoes. One odd lunch.
Yeah, sort of using things up.
Yeah, we're really getting, this is what the freezer's looking like. This is probably the emptiest been it's in years, isn't it? It's so empty. I can't believe it. Oh, should I put on my dairy-free Pete's? I'm gonna put on my, yeah, let's do that as well. No, so we are just waiting for our lunch. Why doesn't she love me? Is it too hard for you to love me? I give you so much love and attention. and you just don't give it to me back. The weather outside is glorious. And Dad and I are going to film a video this afternoon, I think, and I just asked you guys on Instagram any better ideas than what I've suggested, which I'm sure you guys will come through with. That is the update of life right now. Really exhilarating stuff, innit? Great content. Yeah, what would you tell them?
Keep safe. Do as you're told. Keep inside. Don't go outside to parks. It's selfish. Because we need to think about other people. We need to think about the NHS. We need to think about getting rid of this. So keep real, keep safe.
Wow, I was not anticipating that. But... So alas, we will not be having a barbecue today because we've run out of gas cylinders. Is that right?
Yep.
So we're having making dinner now. Well, they are. I'm just having my carrot. Got a salad. Pasta salad. And what we're having with it is this chicken, which smells so good. This, which was sent to the PO box, this spice, and we've like marinated the chicken in it. So I'm excited to try it. Here we go, the spread is coming on. Finishing off my Easter egg now, I've had dinner. And Dad is now going to be teaching us how to make some clay pots. Okay, so I thought I'd show you our pot. Mine is absolutely devastating. So I'll take you through. This is Mum. She's made like a little mini biscuit barrel. Here you go. Nice little situation. Dad's made an egg cup. My beast. Absolutely vile. And Chloe's little one there. And now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you my new favourite cookie recipe. Now this recipe, I'm very passionate about cookies. I just feel like I love them. Can't get enough. They're easy to bake, but I just love them. And I've always praised the Loving It vegan cookie recipe. It's so good, and I just love it. I love it more than a normal cookie. But this, I have found a new one, which I've been making since about January. It is, however, more of a chunky, thick cookie. It's like, it's just thick. It's like the Levian Bakery ones. I have to put them in the freezer and keep them overnight. Or you can like put them in the freezer for 2 hours, but it's best overnight. So I'm gonna make them now so we can have them for tomorrow. I'm so excited because I haven't made these in about a month and they're so good. And good for quarantine because you can keep them in the freezer and bake them as and when you need them. So who's the real winner here? Me. The first weird thing we do is we add together applesauce and bicarb, and you kind of let that be on the side here. So we've got our applesauce. I used to be so beautiful. Mix it up, mix it up. I feel like I've seen so many people baking banana bread at the moment. Like so many people. I feel like I've just seen every single person I follow on Instagram. If you do have some Instagram accounts that you love, tell me. I'd love to know. Also YouTube, who have you been watching on YouTube? Because I am always up for a new YouTuber. I haven't found a YouTuber in a long time that I've just like sat and binge watched. I feel like I miss that. I miss when I just find a YouTuber and I'm like, ooh, let's just watch all of their videos. There is one Alpen. That's got milk in.
What?
It's got milk in it.
Oh, it hasn't, is it?
It's so nice.
No.
Yeah, Dad's gone dairy free, guys. Big news in the big household. Have granola. There's a country
I'm not
nut.
eating granola.
There's the country nut granola, the good one, Jordan's. It's nice. It's not like weird little oats, it's like country nut.
Excuse me, Babby.
You
Chunky nuts. Chunky doors. Oh, you got sultanas there?
No.
Where's sultanas gone?
There's some raisins.
No, sultanas.
California raisins.
You know what, I used to come home when I was a kid and I used to wallop these back.
What, raisins?
Yeah, I used to have handfuls of them.
Why did you like raisins so much?
Because they were something sweet that you could eat. And they were always in my cupboards. With a spoonful of icing sugar.
Raisins with a spoonful of icing sugar?
Yeah.
You're a hooligan. Oh, sorry, but one day I need to make an ASMR baking video because have you ever watched those? They're so therapeutic to watch.
What is?
ASMR baking videos.
I think it's one that country file.
Show them what you've got, take them through.
Crunchy nuts with lots of currants put in.
Do you want a little bit of chocolate in there?
No.
Sure.
Yeah.
By the way, she uses hazelnuts, but obviously you can use any nut you like. I'm going for walnuts. There it is. And what you want to do is you want to like scoop it into little balls and put them on a baking sheet. Okay, so 3 things to say. Number 1, if you bake cookies a lot, get yourself one of these like mechanical ice cream scoops because they're so handy to make them all the same size. Second thing, you want to put them so they're like actually raised, because when they bake they like go out a bit, and to get that gooey chunky center, make sure they're raised. And then what's the other thing? I don't think there was anything else to say, but I have made them. I'm going to put them in the freezer, leave them overnight, and obviously I'm not going to bake them on the sheets because that would be one big cookie mess that no one needs to see. Yes. So we'll put them into the empty freezer. Running a bowl of hot water to clean up, and do you ever just like look at it and get calm? I don't know, it's just me that when I look, let me just wait for it to fill up. Sometimes I just wish I was miniature so I could get in it. Like marigolds, but we've got our first delivery from a zero waste shop near us called Pedrick's, and it's so good. I believe these bags are decompostable, and we've even got this like bread and this organic cheddar. How exciting! All this stuff. Oh my gosh, Chloe. Stop, I think these are freezer. Steakhouse fries. The next day.
Oh, it's me.
And you just cook them like this. You don't flatten them or anything. Okay, so the recipe says after 6 minutes you turn them around like so. Okay, here we go. Here they are. I feel like they could do with just literally 1 more minute, because you know that you're supposed to take them out when they're gooey. This is what they look like straight out of the oven, but you just got to wait a bit for them to like relax into themselves. So here we go. Look at the melty goodness.
I hope you enjoyed that vlog. It was very chill. But that is what these vlogs are. That's what the extra channel's for, you know what I'm saying? Peace out.